Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing this gold face mask look from Viserys Targaryen in House of the Dragon from Game of Thrones. To start out this look, I'm going to be using a yellow face paint to sketch out the shape of the mask. This mask is very oddly shaped, so I had to keep looking back and forth at the reference photo. Next, I blocked out the brow on the side where the mask is going to go and tried to make it blend in as best as possible. Then I fill in the mask area with the yellow face paint. I'm going to be using a gold metallic powder later on, but I felt like the gold might look a little flat if there was no color underneath. Then I use black face paint to make the straps that hold the mask in place. Next, I'll be using the Mehron metallic face powder. And to use this, you will need to mix it with either water or a mixing liquid. And this goes on similar to a face paint. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Nomad palette for the darker gold shade. And here I'm creating the eyelid shape that is shown on the mask. It kind of has a large, elongated look. Here I began this snake-like design on the mask, making sure to extend it onto the lids because the mask is shown with the eyes closed. Here I'm holding up the picture on my phone of the reference photo and looking at it through the mirror to see which way the design should go on my face as well. Sometimes I have a hard time looking at things and doing them backwards, so this tends to help. Here, using that same darker gold shade, I'm going around the edges, creating sort of like a rim The one he is wearing looks like it has a second edge to it, so I'm doing this with the gold. Next, I'll be using a gray eyeshadow to create the shadows around the outside of the mask. Here I'm starting with the strap. This will give it more of a 3D realistic look. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow and a very thin brush and going right along the edge of the mask. Here I'm adding a little bit of the darker gold on the outer sides of the snake design. I know on his mask in the show it has different designs on the snake-like area, but when I tried to make them it made the whole thing look a little bit muddy, so I decided to forego that and just leave the snake-like shape. And that completes this mask makeup. If you wanted to make this into a costume, you could use a white or gray wig and a crown. Please disregard how terrible this white wig is. I just wanted to show you guys what it might look like if you wore it as a costume. So this completes the Viserys Targaryen House of the Dragon Game of Thrones makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.